If you want to see spongy or cancellous bone, you can use a tissue section through the snout of your pig embryo, and you can focus in one of these areas. So here you can see that you would have your bone trabecula, which is the characteristic feature of your spongy bone. So in between this spongy bone, you can see that there's this like a mesenchymal connective tissue. This is because this type of bone is developing through intramembranous type of ossification. Also, we can zoom in to your spongy bone in order to appreciate the different types of cells that is in this tissue section. So the cells which are embedded in the middle of your trabecula, that would be your osteocytes. And the cells which are lining the edges of your trabecula, that would be your osteoblasts. And big multinucleated cells such as this one, this will be your osteoclasts. So these osteoclasts, if we use 400x magnification, we can better appreciate. Okay, this part you can see your osteocytes, osteoblasts at the edge, and then here you can better appreciate your big osteoclast cells, which are responsible for remodeling. And here, this like beaten off portion or area of bone resorption is also termed as your Hauschilp's lacuna.